Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to tenderize kale. You'll need some simple ingredients. You'll need an oil of your choice, salt, kale, and a knife. Optional, a KitchenAid mixer. So you'll want to start by washing your kale and then cutting it off the stalk. Be careful, please don't cut your fingers. Also in this process you'll want to cut the kale down to size for whatever you're going to use it for. And then from here, you'll just cover the kale generously in oil. Make sure that all the kale is coated. And then you'll want to generously salt the kale. From here, you'll want to take the kale and put it into a stack. And then roll it up, kind of like you're rolling a cigarette. And then from there, you're just going to massage it. This breaks down the fibers inside the kale that makes it easier to chew and work with. I don't know if you've ever had tough kale in a salad, but it's the worst thing. And there you have it. The color should change a little bit, and it'll be way more flimsier. You want to massage for 1 to 2 minutes. To do the same thing in a KitchenAid mixer, you just put the kale, oil, and salt in a bowl. Give it a you'll want to put it in your mixer with the paddle attachment. Just set the mixer to a low speed for 2 to 5 minutes, really however long you want it to go. It's doing the same thing, you just don't have to do it by hand. And there you have it, and you could do many things. You could add it to a salad. Personally, after I made this kale today, I made kale chips. I did this by adding blackened seasoning to my bowl of kale. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I arranged the kale on a dish. Here's that oven. Set a timer for 20 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make kale chips. I hope this video was informative. If it was, please give a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you.